This 2024 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Souderton, Pennsylvania, 18964 and is offered for sale by Indian Valley Camping Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Keystone is 40 feet 7 inches in length and features sleeps 10, stovetop burner, oven, LP detector, TV, skylight, carbon monoxide detector, slide-out, awning, external shower, water heater, and 75 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2024 Keystone Avalanche 378BH is 13,820 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.